This is a 2010 Ford F150 Super Crew Platinum, 96,000 miles. Platinum, basically every option. Every possible option you can think of, crazy options. Last year of the 5.4 liter, black pearl metallic, gorgeous truck, gorgeous color. Aftermarket wheels, power running boards, tow package, bed liner, rear parking sensors, blind spot detectors, power sliding rear window, moonroof, leather, heated front and rear seats, air conditioned seats, navigation, backup camera, you name it, this has it. The vehicle is running like all of our vehicles. They go through a 125-point pre-owned inspection. When you buy something from us, it will need nothing mechanically or cosmetically. As you can see, power running boards. Chocolate leather interior. Original floor mats. Navigation, backup camera. Heated and air-conditioned seats in the front, automatic transmission, Sony sync, moonroof, sliding rear window, 96,000 miles. Dual power seats. I can go on and on with this thing. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. Rear heated seats on both sides. So this is a 2010 Ford F-150 Super Crew Platinum, two-wheel drive, 5.4 liter, 96,000 miles. Incredibly clean truck, gorgeous, fully loaded.